Today we present the Biscuit Sandwich Machine with multiplier to chocolate enrobing and packing line. Biscuit is a trusted food machinery manufacturer based in China. This is an integrated production system. Biscuit starts with high-speed sandwiching. Cream jam or chocolate filling is precisely injected between biscuit layers. Then the round multiplier expands the biscuit arrangement. Biscuit's multiplier prepares biscuits perfectly for chocolate enrobing. Biscuit's chocolate enrobing machine adds a smooth, even chocolate layer. The enrobing section connects seamlessly to the packing unit. The packing machine wraps finished products immediately. Manual handling is eliminated. Stainless steel construction ensures durability and food safety. Choose Biscuit for complete sandwich to pack solutions.